The Germans also know how to impress. Recently, engineers from the company KUKA introduced a robotic system for laying brick blocks that could permanently change the construction industry. This industrial robot is equipped with a high-precision manipulator arm and an artificial intelligence system, and is capable of laying bricks with exceptional accuracy, significantly accelerating the process of building walls. The KUKA robot utilizes advanced automation technologies, ensuring not only speed but also flawless bricklaying quality. It features a sophisticated sensor system that allows it to adapt to different types of construction materials, as well as software that calculates the optimal brick placement order. Unlike a human, the robot does not get tired and can operate around the clock, greatly increasing construction efficiency. The Chinese company Shanghai Kepler Robotics recently demonstrated the progress in developing its latest humanoid robot named Kepler K2, which promises to revolutionize manufacturing processes. This robot is standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, and is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in fields such as manufacturing, logistics, education, and even space exploration. K2 features a high degree of flexibility and mobility, thanks to 52 degrees of freedom in its body, including 12 degrees of freedom in its arms, allowing it to perform both complex physical tasks and more delicate operations. Each of the robot's arms is equipped with an advanced system of actuators and sensors, enabling it to grasp and move objects weighing up to 15 kilograms. The robot is designed for 8 hours of continuous operation thanks to a powerful battery, and is equipped with an automatic recharging capability. The company began mass production of the robot in the third quarter of 2024 at a price of approximately $30,000. The future of industrial manufacturing has already arrived, and Teletech Electronics is striving to take it to the next level by creating a factory where the primary work is carried out exclusively by industrial robotic arms. The company understands that speed, precision, and safety are crucial in modern production. Robotic manipulators capable of mimicking human movements ensure an uninterrupted workflow, eliminating the need for people to perform routine or hazardous tasks. These robots can handle operations requiring high precision, significant force, or prolonged work without fatigue. The automated production model that Teletech Electronics is aiming for not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces risks associated with human error. This makes the factories of the future more productive, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. In the long run, such technologies could become the industry standard, opening new opportunities for innovation and development. In the American city of Detroit, one of the largest exhibitions of construction and industrial robots in the world, called Automate, took place, where engineers from around the world had the opportunity to showcase their most advanced developments in these industries. This exhibition is traditionally held in the United States and attracts professionals from various industrial sectors who strive to implement cutting-edge automation technologies. The exhibition featured leading global manufacturers of robotics and automated systems. Among the exhibits, there was an entire series of the latest industrial robotic machines, manipulators for assembly, packaging, and welding. Collaborative robots were also present, designed to work alongside humans at the same workstation. Additionally, the exhibition hosted technical conferences and seminars where trends in automation, the implementation of artificial intelligence, and innovations in manufacturing were discussed. Several tens of thousands of people attended this exhibition, gaining a unique opportunity to explore the latest achievements in industrial automation and establish valuable business connections. The American company Construction Robotics has introduced its high-tech construction assistants Mule and Sam, which are transforming the approach to construction work by increasing efficiency and reducing physical strain on workers. Mule is a material lifting device capable of handling and positioning loads weighing up to 61 kilograms on the construction site. Using Mule allows productivity on site to double or even triple, significantly reducing construction time while ensuring precision and safety. Sam is a semi-automatic bricklayer equipped with a robotic arm, a conveyor belt, a mortar dispensing system, and laser-guided navigation for laying bricks in rows. Sam can lay between 2,000 and 3,000 bricks per day with minimal assistance from workers. Workers collaborating with Sam are responsible for leveling the mortar and guiding their mechanical partner along the bricklaying line. Here is an innovative wall finishing robot called DF062, developed by the Chinese company Dafeng AI. This advanced robot is designed to revolutionize the construction industry by automating the wall plastering process and significantly improving the efficiency and quality of finishing work. DF062 is equipped with an artificial intelligence system that allows it to independently scan wall surfaces, plan the optimal route, and perform plastering tasks without human intervention. Thanks to three-dimensional scanning and geolocation technologies, the robot ensures uniform and precise application of plaster. The robot can operate continuously, significantly reducing the time required for finishing work compared to traditional methods. Additionally, its use enhances safety on construction sites by minimizing risks associated with working at heights and exposure to harmful substances. The American company Icon, which is based in Austin, has developed a unique technology that enables the construction of houses using large-scale three-dimensional printers, significantly accelerating the building process and reducing costs. At the core of Icon's technology is the Vulcan Construction three-dimensional printer, designed to print houses directly on the construction site. The construction process involves layer-by-layer application of this mixture, allowing for the precise creation of walls and other building elements. The printer is capable of constructing buildings with an area of up to 185 square meters. The printing speed reaches up to 15 meters per hour, making it possible to build a house in just a few days. Icon aims to address the issue of affordable housing by offering fast and cost-effective construction solutions. The robotics company Boston Dynamics once again showcased its unique two-wheeled robot named Handle. This robot is unique in that it can maintain balance in complex situations while being able to move smoothly on flat surfaces and perform intricate dynamic movements. The 2-meter-tall robot Handle is designed for carrying loads. It can reach a speed of 14.5 kilometers per hour, and its battery charge lasts for approximately 24 kilometers. The robot operates on electric drives and hydraulics, can jump to a height of 1.2 meters, and lifts loads weighing 45 kilograms. Thanks to the combination of legs with wheels, Handle can perform complex dynamic movements that are inaccessible to most modern robotic machines. For example, it can descend stairs or a slippery slope and jump over obstacles while in motion. At the same time, the robot actively uses its own body weight. It leans into turns, balances by shifting from the vertical axis, and extends its upper limbs to catch its equilibrium. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.